Okay, wait. So today in English class, we are going to discuss the dictation words and the make sentences. All right. So, Brahmjot, write down the first word. I'll speak the word. Write on the board. Come here. Come this side. Wait. Okay. So the first word is exhausted. Exhausted. Those who are sure that they know the spellings of exhausted will write down themselves. Don't wait for him to write. If you are sure. Yes, this word is from the chapter itself today. Of course, you must have done. Okay. So the word is exhausted. Wait a minute. Please look at the board, everyone. Is it correct? Yes. So exhausted, exhausted. I'll write it once again. Who will tell me the spelling of exhausted? Yes. Spellings. Meaning. Ishank. Okay, so you have done, if you talk about social science for exhausted, there you have used it in the sense of finished. Otherwise, if we generally speak, I am exhausted, then it means tired. Or in the chapter, it is fed up, right? So all the three meanings are correct depending on the usage. कि आप किस तरह से इसे use कर रहे हैं. The meaning can be changed a bit. Next word, second word is, beta you come. Write down the second word, quickly come. The second word is chatterer. Chatterer. The second word is chatterer. This is chatter. I told you chatterer. Yes. Is it correct? Yes. So chatterer, CHATTER, chatterer. And what does that mean? A talkative person is called a chatterer. Very good. Third word is impatient. Impatient. Okay, is it correct? Yes. So the spellings are IMPATIENT. Impatient. What is the meaning of impatient? A person is an impatient person. We use the word impatient for a person who doesn't have tolerance या जो जिसको बस बिल्कुल जो tolerate नहीं कर पा रहा है या जो सब्र नहीं कर पा रहा है. Right? Yes. A person who is lost. ठीक है? वो losing all the patience is impatience. वो impatience हो जाता है. Right? This is impatient. Next, fourth word. Quickly, better, please. Fourth word is separately. Separately. So this word comes from separate. Separate से बना separately. Let her complete, better. Please don't interfere in between. Okay. Spreadly means separately. Separate. Separate करना means अलग-अलग करना, divide करना, right? Quickly, fast. Is it correct? There's one mistake here. Separately. Which part of speech is it? Adverb. ly आ रहा है तो आपको देख के समझ आना चाहिए. Separately is adverb. Yes, Rajveer, come with the next word. Better for the next word quickly. quickly. Next, fifth word is desperation. Desperation. Desperate se bana desperation. We have done this word yesterday also in the chapter. Desperation. Can anybody tell me the meaning of this? Yes, Japneet. Yes, desperate is when you are very eager to do anything, and that state of being eager, उस period को जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा eager हैं, then you can say that you are in desperation, right? No, is it correct? R-A-T-I-O-N, desperation. Sixth word, what's your name, beta? Yashika. Yashika. Can you cross from here? Influence. Sixth word, right this side. Influence. Influence. Who will tell me the meaning of influence by that time? Power. No. You must have heard these words. आजकल influencer word बहुत common है. So influence करना ऐसा influence करना किसी पे कोई impact छोड़ना, उस पे अपना बोलते हैं ना mark छोड़ना. मैं उससे influence हुई हूँ, means उसकी वजह से मेरे में ये change आया. So influencer जो होते हैं वो person होते हैं जो दूसरों को influence कर पाए, change कर पाए, उनके ऊपर कोई छाप छोड़ पाए. छाप छोड़ पाना means उनको किसी तरह से motivate करना या उनमें change लेके आना. Influence. So it is INFLUENCE, influence. Next word, Harpratap. Seventh word is industrious. Seventh word is industrious. Can anybody tell me the meaning by that time? Industrious. We have done this word in degrees of comparison of adjective. No. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. हमने word किया था. Nobody remembers? Industrious is a hard-working person. A hard-working person is called an industrious person. How can they read? Do you think they can read? Is it I or O? But nobody, just raise your hands. That's enough. So now don't forget, industrious is a hard-working person. Come, industrious person बोलते हैं. Yes, it is INDUSTRIOUS, industrious. Okay, next word, Japji. Eighth word is interference. Interference. What is interference? Interfere करना means interfere करना. Interfere is a verb. Okay, interference is an abstract noun. Interfere करना कहीं पे किसी को बीच में कोई बात करे उसको बीच में बार-बार बोलना. Interfere करना. Okay, is it I or E? So interference, INT or interference, FERENCE. So there's no A, there's no I in between. Only in the beginning there is I. INTERFERENCE, interference. Ninth word, Suhana. Ninth word. Can you come from that side? Ninth word is jealous. Jealous. What is jealous? This is a jalna. Okay? Somebody has something which you don't have, so you have that feeling of jealousy with that person. So jealous is an adjective, right? And jealousy will be an abstract noun. But if I'm discussing something, please pay attention. Kavish? Jealous only, not jealousy. हो गया, चलिए अब तो निकल ही जाएंगे यहाँ से। Very good, you were wrong. Yes, those who have already taken their turn, they'll not repeat again. क्या हो गया किशान आपको? What's wrong with you? All right, be quiet today. Is it correct? All right, so the spellings are Jealous. Jealous. Yes, Dakshi. 10 only. And last word. Yes, we have 10 only. Jewelry. Jewelry बोलते हैं उसको. That jewelry. That comes from the word jewels. Is it correct? No. Herman, what are you trying to do, Manthan? It's okay. Sit down. It is. Yes. Jew. No. Quickly, bete. Come from the side. Yes, it's Jeweller. Right, quickly, please note down all the words now. What is going on here? All right, hurry up. Have you noted down? Yes. All right, so today we will be discussing the make sentences again. Those won't be written on the board. We'll just discuss verbally. Nobody will shout, right? And then you will side by side on your own, you'll write down the make sentences. Means I'll write only the word. We'll discuss a few sentences and then you'll write yourself in your notebooks. Those are different, but you need to note down those words that I am also telling you. आपने अपने की that's good, but आपको मेरे वाले भी करने हैं. First word is complete and go. Now who will first tell me what do you mean by complete as verb? जब आप काम complete कर रहे हैं ना, कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, right? So that is an action verb. So now one by one, I'll ask you, but please don't shout. Yes, Janvi. She has completed her work. Here, complete is a verb. I am completing my work. That is again ing lag raha hai, ed lag raha hai. That is the easiest way to find out whether your word is a verb or not. अगर आप उसका ed यूज कर पा रहे हैं, ing यूज कर पा रहे हैं, that means that is a verb. Yes. I had already completed my work. You also can frame any sentence that you like. Hurry up quickly. Had or have, both are correct. On time, yeah, in time. Right, okay. Next word that we have, I hope everybody has written some sentence. You can frame on your own also. You don't have to write the sentence that we are discussing here in the class also. Next is, please no talking class. Complete as adjective. Can anybody tell me how can complete be used an adjective as an adjective? Completely नहीं होगा ना? Not completely. That is a different word. Alpha नहीं लगा सकते हैं वो उसका part of speech change हो जाएगा. Sorry. The puzzle is complete. Yes, here complete is an adjective. Puzzle complete है. क्या है? Complete है. Complete हो नहीं रही है. So the puzzle is complete. Yes. Her work is completed नहीं. Her work is complete. नहीं, ED तो मैंने आपको क्या बताया अभी? Verb में आता है ना? हाँ जी. Anybody else who can give me a sentence, a good sentence with the word complete as adjective?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, बेटे.
हम complete as adjective का ये sentence बना सकते हैं. The book is almost complete.
It is almost complete. अगर आप ये लिखेंगे this game is complete by her, then it would be a verb. Who's unmuted बेटे? Manraj, mute yourself. Yes. Okay, so my family is not complete without me. Is that an adjective here? ठीक है? हाँ जी. No, that is a verb. Yes, this sentence has complete meaning. Yes. If I say please complete your work, इसको हिंदी में translate करके देखो. अपना काम पूरा करो. पूरा के साथ करो आ रहा है ना? That means it is a verb here. मैं काम पूरा करने के लिए कर रही हूँ ना आपको? Then it would be a verb. ठीक है? Verb है वो. Next is stop. Stop as verb लेते हैं. Stop as verb it is very easy. कोई काम रोक देना. So when you are stopping anything, yes. She has stopped the car. Okay. Stop doing this work. The bus has stopped. Yes. Shivansh. The van has stopped on the right signal. Okay. You stop the work immediately. So there are so many sentences you can write and frame using stop as verb. That is very simple. Next word is again stop, but that is as a noun. And we arrived at the bus stop. Yes, this was what I was going to tell you. But the word here is stop only, right? So nobody will use the word bus stop. आपको हर बार ये बात समझाई जाती है. जैसे suppose the word was show. So the students start using magic show, circus show. ठीक है? Please, that is a different word. Magic show is a completely different word. So if the word is only show, only stop, you have to use only that word. Compound word use नहीं करना. Magic show is a compound word. That is a different word. जैसे हमने fourth में किया था tongue word and mother tongue word. Those are both different words. You can't join two words and make a new word and frame that. We are going to stop. जो to के साथ use होते हैं ना वो हमेशा verb होते हैं. Yes.
Please stop speaking.
चुप हो जाओ. Stop. Nobody? Okay. Yes, this stop is very dirty, right? Okay. Next, what? We shall wait for you at the stop yesterday or in the evening, है ना? Or what else? Aryan. The stop was crowded. Huh? She reaches her stop in the evening. इस तरह करो. वो incomplete लग रहा है आपका sentence. Yeah, she reached her stop. Yes.
Ma'am, excuse me,
He has
stop
as
as
yes,
I
the truck
wait
came
for
to a sudden
a
stop.
stop.
That also, yes, bete. Dakshi,
मैम हम stop as a noun का ये बना सकते I wait for my bus at the stop.
yes. I wait for the bus at my stop. Yeah, at the stop. Okay. The truck came to a sudden stop. Right here, stop is not being used as a verb. Suhana, can you sit straight? You're sitting like that only. Next word is order. Order as verb will do first. She ordered. Yes. So जब order दिया, order किया, then it would be verb, right? She ordered for the food. I ordered my breakfast. मैंने अपना breakfast order किया. करना आ गया ना साथ में, then it would be a verb. She ordered a meal. Yes. I order you to complete. मैं तुम्हें order दे रहा हूँ. So I'm doing some action here. Yes. I ordered a dress from yes, from Amazon or from a shopping site. ठीक है? Yeah, from a shop, whatever. Yes. I ordered the waiter. Yes. Okay, if I say I gave an order to the waiter, then it would be a noun. Okay. Yes. So here we are going to do the next word, that is as a noun. Order as noun. She ordered तो क्या हो गया? Verb. That is again a verb. The judge gave an order.
Excuse
He
me, ma'am.
delivered the order very fast. Yes. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. मैम हम ऑर्डर वर्ब का मैम हम ये ना बना सकते हैं कि द किंग ऑर्डर द कुक टू मेक अ टेस्टी डिश.
Yes, the king ordered to make a tasty dish. That is a verb here. Have you got the difference between order as noun and order as verb, everybody? So please don't leave the space. Frame the sentences side by side. I can ask for your notebooks at any time. Right? Okay. Next is seventh word is generous. What is generous? Which part of speech is it? Adjective. Generous is an adjective. He is a generous person. तो उसकी quality बता रहा हूँ. Yes. So what could be the sentences for generous as this adjective? Jasmine. The king is very generous.
My father is a generous person.
My father is a generous person.
She is a generous woman.
She's a generous woman. So mainly I think आपके यही sentence होंगे. Please quickly write down. I like generous people or persons. Okay.
His generous behavior gave him a very much job.
Very good. His generous behavior gave him got him a very good job. Now last word that we have is generously. That is an adverb. So I'll tell you what you have to do. You will not frame the same sentence at home. Let us complete this, and I'll tell you what is your homework. Generously is adverb. So he donated generously for the charity. Generously donate किया. Means generously means खुले दिल से बोलते हैं ना, जब बहुत खुले दिल से उसने काम को किया. Yes. हाँ, she is speaking to me generously. आपको प्लेसमेंट जो है वो वर्ब की ध्यान से करनी है. वर्ब को कहाँ Sorry, adverb को कहाँ place करना? That is very important. Yes.
She generously donate the money for the orphanage.
Donate नहीं आएगा, फिर either it would be donated or it would be donates. हाँ जी.
He generously gave the
He generously gave the.
tortilla to the beggar.
What did he give?
Tortilla. English में roti कहते हैं.
Okay. Yes. So he generously gave, or should generously be placed here only? Generously will be placed at the end then. All right. Is it clear to everybody?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Tortilla. Those are not actually.
Excuse me, ma'am.
different thing. That is a kind of. Tortillas are, if you can search, आप घर जाके search करें. Tortillas are a kind of, those are not actually rotis. In India, you can't write rotis, tortillas. That is a different dish that is made in some other country. Yes, bete. Dakshi, you want to say
मैम जनरसली का ये बन सकता है.
Wait, Dakshi, wait. Now listen, can you be quiet for a minute now? So we have done this words and necessary in the class. Now today in the homework, you will not use the same words. Okay, what you are going to do, you have to pick out any 10 words from your book, from this chapter specifically. Let me complete my sentence. You have to pick out any 10 words from this chapter only, and you will write down the part of speech. Means पहले word find out करके उसका is it a verb, is it an adverb, adjective क्या है वो भी mention करना है, and then you will frame sentences with those words, right? Another thing is, yes, of course on the fair notebook. Another thing is that those words should not be very simple. ये नहीं हो कि जो simple first class के level के words हैं वो निकाल लिए और उनके sentences बना दिए. Try to find out the words that you think are new to you, जो आपको लगता है कि आपने कभी इन word को use करके sentence नहीं पढ़ा है या बनाया नहीं. 10 words you will find out from the same chapter. You will write down the part of speech of that word, and then you will frame the sentence. Is it clear to everybody? Okay, you can frame 5 more. All right, bete. If there's any query, you can ask later on personally.